How to use the power of your subconscious mind for wealth. If you are having financial difficulties, if you are trying to make and meet, it means you have not convinced your subconscious mind that you will always have a plenty and the sum to spare. Men and women who work a few hours a week and make a fabulous sum of money. They do not strive or slave hard. Do not believe the story, and the only way you can become wealthy is by the sweat of your brow and hard labor. It is not so. The effortless way of life is the best. Do the thing you love to do and do it for the joy and thrill of it. I know an executive in Los Angeles who receive a salary and 75,000 yearly. Last year he went on a 9th month cruise, seeing the world and its beauty sport. He said to me that he had succeeded in convincing his subconscious mind that he is the worth that much money. He told me that many men in his organization setting about $100 a week knew more about the businessman he did not and could manage it better, but they had no ambition, no creative idea, and were not interested in the wonder of their subconscious mind.